Okay, so question 4. So you have an office floor is 9.8 meters long and 5.2 meters wide. Construct a scale diagram of this floor in the space below using the scale diagram. So 1 centimeter is actually 100 centimeters in real life. That's 1:100. That's what that means. And 9.8 meters is 980 centimeters, and is 980 centimeters, yeah. And 5.2 meters is 520 centimeters. So that just means that you were drawing 9.8 centimeters and 5.2 centimeters. So all I did was I measured 9.8, the start and the end, and then measured 5.2, did the start and the end, and then turned it around 9.8, and then joined it all together. For part B, work out the area of the floor. Give your answer correct to nearest metre squared. So the area of a rectangle is length times width. So this is 9.8 multiplied by 5.2. So when you multiply 9.8 multiplied by 5.2, get 50.96. So that's 50.96, and that's metres squared. So the floor then is covered with carpet, costing $23.50 per metre squared. Use your answer from part B to find the cost of the carpet. Well, you can't buy 50.96, you have to buy 51. So you multiply that by 23.50 then. So 51 times 23.50. So that means it's going to cost you $1,198.50. Lindsay wants to tile the floor with square tiles. She allows 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters for each tile. Work out how many tiles Lindsay will need to cover the floor. So you're going to have to change your centimeters to meters, because everything at the start of the question is in meters, and it's in meters here as well. So to find the area of one tile, it's going to be 0.2 multiplied by 0.2. So 0.2 multiplied by 0.2 is 0.04 meters squared. So you're trying to see how many of those tiles can you fit into the 50.96. So if you do 50.96 divided by 0.04, that will tell you how many tiles you can fit. And that means you can fit 1,274 tiles. For part B, a cylinder has a diameter of 14 and a height of 30. Find the volume of the cylinder, taking pi to be 3.14. So volume equals pi, which is 3.14, multiplied by radius. Wait, the diameter here is 14. The radius must be 7 because it's half. Multiplied by the height, which is 30. So pi 3.14 as per the question. The radius is half the diameter squared, multiplied by 30, which is the height. All I do then is put that into my calculator. It's 3.14 multiplied by 7 squared multiplied by 30. Press SD and you get 4,615.8, and that's in centimeters cubed. So 4,615.8 centimeters cubed. Barry folds a sheet of paper in half, making 2 layers of paper. Next he folds it in half again, and then he folds it in half for a third time. So find the number of layers in the folded sheet after 3 folds. Okay, so when you do the first fold, he has two pieces or 2 layers. Second fold, so that's the first. Second fold, he's doubling that, so 2 times 2, which is now 4 layers. Third fold, he's going to double that again, so 4 times 2, which equals to 8 layers. Okay?